So the house is located in CERIANA, which is a small town about 14 kilometers from the coast. San Remo, you can get there in 30 minutes by car. You have a valley where the land is located. You can see down here with the terraces going upwards towards the town and at the hill there. And at the lowest point in the valley, it's around 300 meters. The mountain surrounding it is around kilometers high. There you can see the land. There's a public road crossing through it because we bought 2 plots of land. And this is CERIANA. And if you look around the mountains and the valley, that way is about southeast, going towards the water. That's not the road, by the way, whereby you come to the land. You go on another highway on the other sides. It requires a small car to get to the land. I mean, Golf is probably the biggest. Ideally, you have a Panda or a Fiat 500, of course. This is the land itself. It's about 5,000 square meters. Has two neighbors, real neighbors, and then a public watering plant on the other side. That's why there's a road in the middle that need to remain accessible. There's a lot of eucalyptus trees, which you can see on these. They are apparently the biggest source of income for the family who was there. And then you can see the house there is attached to a bigger house. So there's 2 houses, one which was originally there, and then another extensions built in the 60s. And then a third one down in the left corner now, which is like a small warehouse or a tool shed, I would say. Then in the middle you can see a chicken pen or chicken coop and something to store stuff in. Both will go and we'll move them somewhere else probably. Otherwise the land is very nicely cultivated and irrigated with water from the river. You can see here to the left there's vines leading into the house growing, and then 2 big olive trees, 1 big cherry trees. There are figs and lemons and all kind of fruits on the land, and a lot of wine and eucalyptus as mentioned. Those terraces there are 4 of them mainly. They are about 5 meters broad, 44 meters long. At the bottom of it is a perfect spot for kitchen garden. The soil is actually pretty good, also because it's not on a slope. So I'm pretty sure you can grow most things there. And there's definitely a lot of mulch already lying on the land, which means that I guess there will be a pretty good soil culture. That's it.